Get your blender, put in 1 cup of yogurt. I like for this one to use no fat. You can use low fat, plain or vanilla. 1/4 cup of frozen blueberries. 1/4 can of sweetened condensed milk. 2/3 cup of flake. If you don't know what flakes are, they're awesome. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. And 1 tablespoon of milk. Just mix this on high for 20 to 30 seconds. If you've got this awesome blend tech, just press for smoothie. Then get some flake, crush it up and sprinkle it up all over the top.